Squeak, squeak, squeak.
I know they're both at least 5. Their surrender form said that's the.
Okay, Q. You tell that thing what's up.
I'm not an athlete.
Hey, no violence. Oh, you got Frankie? Bring him on in.
Hi,
sweetie.
I'm going to make dinner, but I'll be back.
Okay. We'll keep an eye on her. Kiki, you be good.
Come in or watch her.
Watch her.
So it's the happiest.
Happy turkey. Oh. Beep pop. Hey, Cosmo, can we get turkey noise?
What the fuck? Come in or watch her.
Cassandra, not yet. We're hoping eventually to start a bird con, kind of like VidCon or like E3. Where we're gonna have a whole bunch of birds all get together and meet in person. Right? I think it'd be really fun to be at or even just to watch. Have a whole bunch of people live streaming it all at once. Oh, is you a good puppy?
Your nails are sharp.
Hubert, are your nails sharps? BirdCon. Yep. It's in the works. We gotta wait for the stupid avian flu thing to blow over, but eventually we'll make it happen.
Your nails are sharp.
Frankie!
Hi, face.
Oh,
yes. I can't wait to see them end this face. It's a mess.
Oh, careful, Jacob. She's starting in on you now. Hey, Cosmo's starting in on you. Smart ass shit. Hey, no violence.
Yeah, I really need to get enough phone because I can't even see it chat. You can all call it now, Frank. Or did Bruce blow his chance of playing peekaboo with you now? He did come in playing peekaboo.
LB, so when they're standing on one leg, that means they're particularly comfortable with, they're content, happy. And they also sleep on one leg too. If you have a bird, at least grade, and I'm sure it's with a lot of other birds too, and they don't sleep on one foot, that can often be a sign of illness.
No promise.
Don't
This
know.
one.
I don't understand how much rest they can get by sleeping and standing on one foot, but you know, bird gonna bird, right, QB? I think maybe it creates a better connection with wireless charging.
Is it? Who is it?
I'll get your toe. Your mom's not a jerk. Be nice, Cosmo. You know, you're gonna be grounded, Cosmo. You're teaching my boys bad things.
I saw that video.
Sorry.
Let's go for Cindy Grand Cozy. It's just getting Cozy grounded.
No, Lauren. At times they can, but Cosmo is one in a billion. Exhibit A or Exhibit C.
No, Frank, you're not being offered that apple.
I'll get your toe. Cosmo, I'm gonna get your toe.
You keep still, Frank. Fidget. Fidget butt.
LB, she just hasn't had a reason to back up yet. Right? Yeah, no F-boy yet. Wait a minute. You need some of that fresh water, Cos? Aw. All right, cute. I'll be back. Keep an eye on Cosmo. Make sure she's a good bird.
You pretty boy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What's the matter? Peekaboo. Mhm. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What you doing? Peekaboo. 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 Peekaboo.